pharmaceutical presentation, blister packing machine and tablet coating machine. Blister packing machine. Blister packing machines are special machines that are used as unit dose packaging for tablets, capsules, etc. The device contains a bubble pack component, which could be a cavity or pocket made of a formable film, a thermoformed plastic, or cold-formed aluminum film. Features a lidding seal of aluminum foil. In other words, this is an electromechanical machine that has both moving and stationary parts that aid in packaging and sealing products. The mechanical movements facilitate the formation of sized cavities in packaging material, filling, and sealing with appropriate materials. Using different packaging materials and principles of forming, blister packs could also be divided into three types: aluminum plastic, thermoforming, bubble pack, plastic, aluminum, cold forming, bubble pack, and an aluminum/plastic/aluminum bubble pack. Blister sealing machine varieties. Based on their operation process, the automatic blister packing machines are divided into three distinct categories. These are: roller-type blister packaging machine, roller plate blister packaging machine, flat plate blister packaging machine. Blister machine working principle. The blister packaging machine process is almost the same regardless of the type. The most important difference is predicated on the blister forming device and the heat sealing device. Blister forming is split into two types: drum type and flat plate type. The flat plate type of blister forming device generally performs better than the drum type. Heat sealing is additionally divided into two types: drum type and flat plate type. Advantages. If you work in the food, drug, or chemical industries, you may be unsure whether to purchase a blister packaging machine. Crystal clear, here are the top benefits of using a blister packaging machine. It guarantees product integrity. A. Tamper resistant. It is cost-effective. A. Dosage accuracy. It improves identification. A. Tablet coating machine. A tablet coating machine adds a thin layer on the external surface of, for example, a pharmaceutical tablet. The tablet coating machine mechanism is essential in various ways. For instance, it enhances drugs' appearance, making them attractive and easy to consume. The activity reduces the obnoxious color, smell, and taste that come with the drugs. The coat facilitates the identification of drugs and acts as a mask in cases of change in environmental factors to prevent drug degradation. Parts of a tablet coating machine. Automated control system. The part controls the various functions automatically. For instance, the operation of the machine and the regulation of speed, pressure, and temperature. Electric motors. They facilitate various tablet coating machine operations such as blowing air, mixing, and pressure creation. The touchscreen operating panel facilitates self-observation, the input of controls, and monitoring by an operator with a user-friendly interface. Guide plate that allows for the smooth tumbling of the tablets when blowing hot air through them during the drying process. The peristaltic pump ensures constant pressure in the machine. During the spraying process, the pump aids in the stabilization of the atoms. Components of this system are the nozzle, tank, and a pump. WHF micro. It stores the tablet coating solution, ensures atomization stability, cleaning, and maintenance of the spraying pump. The pan cooling surface consists of an automatic load cell system that helps in regulating the volume of the spraying solution. Its components include the electronic pulse valve, a discharging device, an exhaust dust collector, an air heating unit, and an air distribution device. Coating preparation tank. The part facilitates the preparation of the coating solution. The pill coater's operation. Select the suitable coating materials depending on the kind of tablet you are using. The next process is tablet spinning, whereby the tablets are put in a drum and rotated in an orbital fashion. The streamlined plates control most of the operations. As the drum spins, the nozzle sprays a coating solution regulated by an automated control system. The system ensures accuracy and even sprays the coating on the tablets. As the spraying continues, the machine pumps hot air into the drum, resulting in a rapid coat of the solution. Types of tablet coating machines. There are 3 types of the tablet coaters: typical coating pan, perforated coating plant, a fluidized bed coater. Why Dewan Project Tech? Dewan Project Tech ensures timely supply of goods and equipment and also factors in transit and insurance. We can customize as per each client's needs. Finding the right vendor to meet your needs in all commercial and technical fields can be difficult. We work in a professional nature to fulfill the supply on time with regard to the quality factor as per firm norms. We keep confidentiality to maintain our business ethics while dealing with clients. Ensure the manufacturing department gets the supply without delay, taking control of the cost and process execution in line with multiple vendors, evaluating, selecting, and auditing the vendor in accordance with the customer's requirements with various vendors of the same specifications and maintain the quality standards. The 4 R's are essential. The right place, the right quality, the right time, and the right price. We would get the suppliers on board at a genuine price. Contact us at the given below address, follow on our social media and also share on your social networks. Subscribe our channel.